9 a.m. I'm in the mountains already. Even though it's like Friday and supposed to be a working day, but I decided it should be sort of long weekend for me. So I'm going for an event which organized here annually in the mountains. It's called ADV Summit. Few days of gathering for people who ride ADV bikes, and not only ADV, actually it's like for all people who ride bikes here in Montenegro, and some people from Balkans is also coming. Why not to go, you know, why not to support guys and also spend some good time. And yeah, look, going through all those twisties and enjoying this view. What can be better, right, to start the day? But man, it's so nice to be out here. It's so nice to be in the mountains. It's like before day starts here, you hear all those birds, right? I need to continue riding because I'm gonna spend another 3.5 hours on a bike crossing the country, and by noon I should be there at my destination. Look at this scenery, guys. I stopped here specifically to film that for you because it looks just amazing. Look at this. Look at all this greenery, right? Reminds me Alps, right? So also down there we have a river. You can hear, I mean, now you have a lot of traffic, but when there is no traffic you can hear the river down there. And look at this, like sun and shades on the trees. Amazing, right? I got lost a little bit. I've been following Google Maps, but as you know, in Montenegro with Google Maps you never know if it shows you the right route or not. So, but look at this. Every time you make a turn, you get to some unexpected place. It's just like breathtaking, guys. I cannot tell you how gorgeous this place is. Look at this. Look at this. No one around. Wild nature. Beautiful. And it's so fresh up here because it's you can feel the elevation. So it's just fresh and green. Amazing. Yeah. Okay, I need to find the right route anyway.